Dollar Index Daily Forecast, March 8th, FXEmpire.com. Looking at the dollar index, you can see that we had a negative session for the Thursday trading hours, but all things being said, we remain within the previous consolidation area. You can see that 82.50 offered too much resistance, but 82 still offers plenty of support. Ultimately, though, we think the major support is down at 81 and extends all the way to 81.50. So somewhere in that particular area, we think there is a ton of buying pressure. With that being the case, we are bullish of this market. We are very bullish of this market for that matter, and can also make an argument for, let me get rid of this here, make an argument for a breakout that measures all the way from 79 to 81.50, giving a grand total of a move to 84. So still plenty of room. Two handles and the Dixie is a pretty significant move. With non-farm payroll coming out later today, there will definitely be a reaction in the U.S. dollar. And one thing that's interesting this week is that it may be positive regardless, and that is the thinking that the jobs number comes out as expected. Well, nothing changes. You have a situation where you still have weak Europe, weak UK, reasonably decent US, so money flows into the United States. Um, Alternately, you could have a situation where the jobs are much better. And if that's the case, if the jobs number, let's just say it comes out at 450,000 or whatever, something that just blows the number out of the water, then there's fear that the central bank in the United States may cut uh, quantitative easing sooner than expected. Not a realistic fear, but it would more than likely cause that reaction. So that would be pro dollar because of yield differences. And then finally, let's just pretend that it's a horrible number, that they lose 200,000. Well, that rocks the markets and money goes into the US Treasury market, which is good for the dollar. So we may have a situation, no matter what happens, the dollar ends up winning. That being the case, any pullbacks into this general vicinity for us looks to be very viable events, as it should simply offer uh, cheaper rates at the dollar.